Hey team, just wanted to share a before and after from an amazing student of mine, Justin. Now, before I jump in, I'm not going to take all the credit for this because frankly, Justin was already an amazing singer when he first came and worked with me. But what he couldn't do was hit some of those high notes, some of those high notes that you're probably trying to hit right now. He would just crack and he would just, struggle with those notes.
As you're holding mine, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath.
But after a month of us working together, here is a clip of him challenging the same song.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Now, the reason why I wanted to share this with you is it is totally possible for you to do this as well. Yes, Justin had an amazing start and he had a great voice to begin with, but all of us can improve and we can build our voice if we have the right fundamentals. And so if this inspires you and you actually want to get better and you want to improve your voice, I'm actually in the process of creating a new course. It actually might already be out where I show the exact step-by-step process that I've shown Justin. I'm going to give that to you as well, so that you can finally sing the songs that you want. This is going to be a step-by-step course, which is basically distilling my past 10 years of learning, all the mistakes, all the things I've learned, distilled into simple fundamentals for you to follow and build your voice. And so if you want more details, check out the link in the description. It's not going to be one of those crazily priced courses or one of those overpriced courses. This is just me distilling and systemizing what I know and sharing it to you in a way that's valuable. And so if you've ever found value out of these tutorials, these tips, and you want to take things to the next level and you want to support me, check out the link in the description. And remember, let's become better. Take care.